StrongBox Demo, Part 3, Admin. Log in your secure username and password. To get access to your administration settings, such as dealer information, users, transaction history, payment and checkout provider details, button generator and card configuration, you would start here. Dealer information. This is the information that will appear on the receipts that are printed out after each transaction. This information will be printed on the client's receipt. Users. Listed here are all the users that have access to your StrongBox. Here, you can set permissions, edit, and delete those you allow access to your StrongBox. System Administrator. This is the top-level user with access to everything. He or she can create and delete all users. Manager. Manager is the next level user with access to everything except payment provider, checkout provider, and dealer info configurations. Manager can edit their own settings and create user settings only. Manager cannot edit or delete the system administration settings. User. User can only edit or delete their own settings, but not those of any other users or higher level users. Additionally, users do not have access to any configurations or transaction history and cannot edit or delete customer records or card storage records. To add new user, click on the Add New User button on the screen. Select the user type from the drop-down menu. Enter the user's information and click Save. Transaction History. The Transaction History screen shows all your transactions. You can search them using the navigation bar by clicking on the heading to sort them by customer ID, type of transaction, date, and amount. You can also search by using the drop-down menu or entering the search parameter in the search form. You can void any transaction within 24 hours of processing that transaction by using the red Delete button. You can issue a return of the transaction amount by clicking on the small blue button with the white arrow. You will be able to export detailed transaction history report as a PDF document and to print out a hard copy of the report. Payment provider. To process credit card transactions, enter all the gateway and account information you are given from your payment provider to access their system and click Save Provider. Checkout provider. StrongBox comes with a pre-made shopping cart. Here, you can configure which payment processor you wish to integrate with your e-commerce StrongBox. Button generator. Click Pay Now or Add to Cart to choose your button type. After choosing your option, enter the product ID and the product name that you want to sell. Enter the price and the quantity. You can also manually type in the text of your choice that you wish to be featured on the button. Click Generate Button to generate the code. Click Select All and copy and simply paste this HTML code into your website. You are now ready to start selling. Cart configuration. StrongBox comes with its own shopping cart, which you can configure and customize. You can choose the background color, cart header color, and the button color. Check the box if you want a colored border around your shopping cart. Upload a custom banner to match your website. You can preview to see how your cart looks, and if no further changes are needed, click Save to integrate it into your StrongBox.